Sending back the changes in system layers. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to send back changes in system layers. From the File Actions menu on the left menu, click on My Files on the system. After activating the layer in the panel that we want to work with, delete, add, and edit actions can be taken on it. With the Send Back button from the Layer menu, the changes within the layer are listed. Changes can be sent to the system and saved, or the process is cancelled, and no changes are made to the geometry. Sending back and cancellations can be applied collectively or one by one. An information table is displayed in collective sense. Successful saves are displayed on this table. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.